Hi there, welcome to Huson DIY on day 8 of the 25-day Brew Company Advent Calendar. Okay, it's day 8. Today's is Tanzania. So yesterday was Mexico, today is Tanzania. So it's a medium roast, 3 on the intensity, with taste notes of dark chocolate, berry and pineapple. Might not like this one, I don't think. Berry and pineapple, not into the fruity ones. It's got high acidity as well. So it's from the co-op or the farm from the Lunji estates from Mbeya. So let's get grinding, let's get brewing, let's give it a taste. I'm not holding out much hope for today, but let's give it a go anyway. Here we go, day 8, Tanzania. Not bad actually. Definitely getting the fruity berryness to it. And that dark chocolate, the acidity is there. It's quite nice actually. Definitely a berry flavour. Picking that up. Not my favourite, not the worst. It's not the worst. I think still worse was the I can't remember, the Guatemala was the worst. Still Brazil favourite. It's probably 3rd or 4th, maybe not top 3, but it's not bad. Yeah, not bad. So yeah, so this one, Tanzania, as I said, medium roast, available in the Advent calendar for day 8 in this one, but obviously available on the Brew Company website to purchase as a separate bag. Links below in the description to get a discount on the Brew Company website for the Advent calendar, but all the coffee's on there as well, so if you use the link and the discount code below, all information is down there telling you how to get those. A French press and the coffee grinder, links are below for those as well if you're interested in those. They were just off Amazon, and there is a video that I've done unboxing and showing these off as well. So yeah, head over to the Brew Company if you want that discount using the code below and get yourself some coffee. Okay, all done now on day 8 of this 25-day Brew Company Advent Calendar journey. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not, give it a thumbs down. If you want to follow the Advent Calendar journey along or any of the other Huson DIY videos, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next one.